him up. How about you're not in good shape?
I bet you I can play a whole game before you can.
No, you cannot.
Oh, yeah.
No, you
and in the post.
Oh. Someone got a double team him?
Yeah, these guys molesting teams, yeah.
The coach is getting very frustrated here. They cannot stop number 5 on Sonic Boom. What shall they do? Oh, what a crossover. Oh, got shot. He shoots another 3 and they still have no response for his 2. What will they do? At the same time, they do not have a response for number 5 here. Look at this right here, guys. Oh, look at that foul. Oh, number 7's about to get a technical. You better watch out. About to receive a technical.
That's the youth. I thought since he was gone, he got to be okay.
Travel. That was a good call.
Oh boy. Eye contact. Right behind you.
Oh, that's a mismatch. Hey, look up. Number 5 has a mismatch, guys. Number 5 has a mismatch.
Hold a bind him on. Yeah, exactly. Doing that this person in there too. Yeah. Wait, you're not just shoulder like that? Got him. Yeah.
Whack.
Yep.
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah. They have no response to number 5 here. No response. When are they gonna start playing some D? Again with the 3. They have no response for this guy's 3.
Don't let him shoot.
They keep letting him shoot.
Put a hand on him.
They're sharing basket here, guys.
The score table is supposed to be non-biased.
They are right here. Look at that. Look at that tight defense. Tight defense. Oh, now they're doubling. Oh, nice pass. Oh, what do you got? Oh, let's travel. Good call, ref.